Making everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews, very inspiring. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.